Hi everyone. Today I bought a shower hose from Wicks, which is 2 meter, and they say it is universal. Fits most of the UK tap and the shower head. Though I need 1.75 meter long, I couldn't find that length. I got 2 meter, and is this the last one? So I will show you how to replace the shower hose. You need a wrench. If you have a nut there, this other way, it's clockwise. It's easy to remove. So as you can see, there is a nut. You need the wrench to open that. And this size, you can open it with the hand. It's all done. There is 2 gaskets inside. One goes in this side and another goes to the other side. So let's put the shower head first. It's very easy. You don't need a wrench to put it there. And the other side, another gasket. If you don't put it properly, it will start leaking. And they said it shouldn't be more than 60-degree hot, otherwise it will start leaking. Let's remove all this and then see how the water flows. They say it is maximum. It has got nice bore in it, so the water flow should be fine. I have a good flow of the water. It's working fine. Thanks for watching. Thank you.